How to split or trim the video on TikTok. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application TikTok is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom. Simply record the video or select the video that you want to upload from the gallery. From here, select any of the video that you want to edit. Once you have selected, click on this edit icon right below the settings. The editing tools will be available to you. Now, in order to trim this video, simply click on this video. The option of split at the bottom left corner will be available to you. Click on it. And there you can see that the video has been split. Now you can simply delete this or even keep this clip if you want to. Now in order to trim, what you want to do is select the clip that you want to trim. From the end of the video, slide this white icon to the left. Slide it till where you want to trim. You can also do this from the very beginning of the video. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can split or trim the video on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.